Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about professional remote control drone. Okay, here we go to the video. HD dual camera. 4K HD performance monster. High value charm, appearance. Photographic expert 6K movie camera. Witness the wonderful journey together. Light flow positioning. High definition image transmission. Aerodynamic streamline design. 25 minutes long battery life. Headless mode. Gesture photography and intelligent recognition. Automatic beauty shooting. App pointing and trajectory flight. One key take off and landing or return. 360-degree roll. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay, friends, be a good person. Bye bye. So, I'm gone.